Anyway, got a little trouble with the hammer or mixer mill or hammer mill. I got a bearing out on this auger, and it's cracked steel all around the bearing holder. So a couple things to fix on here quick. So a little hole patch on the bottom too. Yeah. So all right. Well, we got taking this apart here and getting it fixed. Snowmobiles. There, I can talk about it. No, I can see it. It's breaking all the way around. Someone had patched the bottom up here once before. I think this. I don't know why they put a bushing in there. I don't know why they put a bearing. But that went out too, so I don't know. I might put a bearing there. I just might order a new piece. But for now, if I don't put a bearing there, I'm gonna turn it around 180 just to make it work for now, because I got to grind corn here tonight yet. So let's get this out, and then I get this welded up. Alright, I'm going to take the wire wheel here and clean this up before I weld it. Get a good nice weld on there. I'd like to make another push plate over that, but I don't got no. I gotta dig around some more, but I think if I weld it up good enough, it'll be alright. I had to do a bunch of emery cloth, and I figured I ain't gonna videotape me doing that, so I got the shaft all cleaned up here now, so bearing slides on there nice. Got that on there. Now we're getting close to getting something done. got the lock collar on there, and I'm just gonna put a tack on 3 sides here, quick, and then I'll slide the maybe I'll flip that around quick. Then I'll slide the sprocket on. I got a new tensioner sprocket. I was using a temporary. It was a pulley for an alternator. Worked for a couple months, so I got a new one. Put that on there. Flip that around. I'm gonna flip this piece around for now, I think, and I'm gonna order a new bushing, I guess. Go from there. Alright, I got her back together. I got the new tensioner sprocket on there. I'm doing messing around with that too. Put a bunch of, I had a bolt on the old one, but I shimmed it back out, machine shims. Everything lines up pretty good. Got a new chain on there. I accidentally had the chain cut too short, so luckily I got a couple half links, so I had to put 2 half links in there. I should be good to go. I'm not going to have enough time tonight to get the bottom hole patched up in there. That's been a hole like that for... It's not that big a deal. It just sits on the ground anyways when I grind, so... yeah, so I'll run her once and then see what she does. Work. Well, I'm gonna chores. Put my stuff away and get this out of here and grind some corn. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.